Welcome to the Doctor's Mentor Show. If you believe that medicine is an industry and not a profession, if you enjoy submitting complex reimbursement claims, or you would do another residency just for fun, be advised, you're about to be offended. You should probably leave now.
All this talk about mentoring doctors is ridiculous. I thought doctors learned to do everything better than everyone else the first year of medical school. At least that's the way they act.
If you love assisting patients with vitality breakthroughs, if the right to practice medicine without interference is important, and you want expert tips for practice freedom and profits to support your epic life, welcome aboard and prepare to be blown away. The Doctor's Mentor Show starts now. Here's your host, Dr. Lori Barr.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Barr, the Doctor's Mentor, and you're listening to the Doctor's Mentor Show. And this is another question that doctors ask me about podcasting. And it's specifically, what is a podcast hosting platform? Now, in another episode, we talked about the podcast host could either be the host of the show, an actual human being, or it could be referring to the podcast hosting platform. So let's specifically answer the question about what is a podcast hosting platform. A podcast hosting platform is a company that hosts your central repository of your published episodes and some that you're thinking about publishing that are in draft status, and distributes them to individuals and to distribution channels that have your RSS feed. Podcast hosting companies have servers configured specifically for dealing with large audio and video files and can handle high numbers of server requests all at the very same moment. When you have a popular show and you release a new episode, thousands of subscribers may request that exact same large file at the very same moment. Most website hosting services cannot handle the magnitude of that kind of outbound bandwidth in a timely manner and will crash. Podcast hosting services, podcast hosting platforms are designed for exactly that.
Information in this show and the accompanying descriptions, show notes, and links is provided for informational purposes only. The information is a result of years of practice experience by the author and show guests. This information is not intended as a substitute for the advice provided by your physician, attorney, accountant, or other professional. Do not disregard professional advice or delay in seeking professional advice because of something you have seen, heard, or read related to this show. Information in this show and the accompanying descriptions, show notes, and links, and the use of any products or services trialed or purchased by you does not create a doctor-patient relationship, attorney-client relationship, or any other professional client relationship between you and any of the providers affiliated with this show. Information and statements regarding health regimens, drugs, and/or dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or any information contained on or in any product label or packaging. Always speak with your physician or other healthcare professional before taking any medication or nutritional, herbal, or homeopathic supplement or using any treatment for a health problem. If you have or suspect you have a medical, legal, and/or accounting problem, contact your healthcare provider, attorney, and/or accounting provider promptly.
I'm Dr. Lori Barr, the Doctor's Mentor. We'll see you next time. Remember, one idea is all it takes to change your world.
Are you stopping at a hospital? Hello? Don't you know that hospitals are one of the sickest places on the planet? Don't touch anything in there and get out as fast as you can.